Okay, so basically this is a SwiftAgent, and I would go through how it works. And usually the first time when you open the app, you are prompted with an option to sign in with an email account, and that's what you'll be using for a long time. So you use that email to sign in, and once you're done signing in, the sign in needs internet access. Okay, so after you're done with the sign in, the rest don't need internet access. The only time you need internet access is when you are trying to either watch this video or do something else that I'll show you later. Okay, so when you turn on the app, usually they'll ask for accessibility feature. So I'll show you settings. So when you come to settings, so I'll turn it off here. Let me turn it off. So when you open the app, you realize they're asking you for accessibility. Okay, and the only reason it's asking you for that is because you need this feature on the phone to allow the app to automate the processes. Okay, it's not for anything fishy. You can choose not to use it, but then you won't get the automation process. So it's something you have to decide, and you can read more about it and see if it's something that you don't want to risk. Okay, but it's nothing dangerous. So I tap on it, you read through it. Okay, you read through it, then if you agree, you tap on agree, you turn it on, yes, allow, you go back. Okay, so once you come back, I'll show you some few features. On the top left corner, there is a store where these are things I feel MTN agents would mostly need. I don't know if there's anything else, but then if there's something more, you can add it manually yourself, and I'll show you how to do that later. Okay, so if you don't need them, you just untap them. If you need them, you take them there, and I'll show you where they'll go and where you can use them. Okay, so you can, on the top right corner, there's a theme. You can switch to dark theme or light theme depending on your condition. You can check your balance. When you tap on it, it automates the process, and you input your PIN and just check your balance. So the transaction details part is for, so if you are making a transaction for an agent, we know once you input the agent number, the next part is to do pay to instead of cashing. Okay, but then when you put it at merchant, it's also the same thing where you put the merchant ID or subscriber for the normal transactions for users, and that's where you use the cash in and cash out feature. So yeah, you can copy and paste numbers even if the number is +233. Once you copy it here to convert it to 0, and yeah, it will fix all those issues where the number has spaces in them and all those things. It will fix it for you. Amount and reference. So let's talk about the shortcuts. So you can see the custom shortcuts here. The ones we ticked in the store has come here. Okay, so let's assume I want to buy data for a customer. So maybe, and it also remembers numbers. Once you input the number, it will remember it and won't forget it. Okay, so I'm buying data, maybe 2 CDs for the customer. There's no need for reference. Tap on shortcuts, tap on data, any amount. Usually, as you can see, the data process is very long, so automating it makes it's usually faster, but then if your network is very bad, it will be slow. The network is good, it will be very fast. You choose the option you want to buy from airtime or Momo. Then usually you just buy a huge amount of airtime onto the phone, and you just be buying from airtime because it's usually faster that way. Okay, but you can choose to buy it from Momo too if you want. So yeah, depending on what you want to do. Some of the things don't need so like mashup 5 CD like this, you don't need to input 5 CD here again. Okay, because the shortcut doesn't have a reference for amount. So I'll explain to you. Let's close this. Let's try and edit the mashup 5 CD. Okay, so you see when the behind that mashup 5 CD, this is the code the *567 hash, the number. There's no amounts. Okay, so all you have to do is just input amount, number, then you just tap on your mashup 5cedi. But then I think my mashup is up. The 10 MTN gives us is my then that's that. So yeah, basically that's it. You can check your commission here. No need for number here. Check your commission. You can check cash out commission. You can transfer. It does it straight. Okay, they all do it straight. No need for you to stress. There's this affordable data. If you want, you can buy. If you don't need it to, don't stress. When you come to the logs, the logs are arranged in, so you can come here and choose the week, the month, or the year, however you want it. Then you can see all cash in commissions, all cash out commissions, or you can search for a specific amount or whatever things you want. Yeah, basically, so that's it's very easy to use. There's nothing more complicated about it. So yeah, you can create your own shortcuts here. You tap on the plus sign, you name the shortcuts, maybe midnight. If you know the midnight code, you just dial it. I think 138 star 1 star. I don't know, but you know the code. Into anywhere the midnight needs you to input a number. Okay, you just input a number. There's the need for number to appear twice. You add another number. There's the need for amount to come. You add the amount. Then you just do your hash. Always the hash has to come. Okay. Then you save it. Once you save it, you find it here midnight. Then you just use it. If you want to delete it, you can delete it. If you want to edit it, you can just edit it. So it's basically simple. Okay. When you download the app the first time, just tap on the how to use, then watch this video for reference, and yeah, just use it. It's very simple to use and very fast. So yeah, basically that's it. And you can switch SIM networks here. This part is very important, okay, because if you have multiple SIMs, multiple MTN SIMs in the phone, and you don't select it, it would be using, well, if you have 2 agent SIMs in the phone, this way they should be. By if it's just 1 agent SIM, then there's no need. You just have to save and go back. So yeah, that's it. It's very easy to use. Very easy. So if you have any ideas or any issues, just drop them in the comments below, and we'll get in touch. Okay, thanks guys.